dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL, and this is a new series showing you how to make this U-part wig, how to color this U-part wig, and how to install this U-part wig. So if you are interested in seeing all about that, check out this video and stay tuned.
So this is my line, Caviar Life Raw Indian Hair from xocrissyhair. This is 3 bundles of 24 inches.
I am going to share with you clips as far as what I used, the methods that I did as far as sewing the hair on, and also I want to show you the end result.
We're gonna get started. This is what I used for making my U-part wig. It's a U-part cap. It's pretty neat because it does come with the combs, as I'm showing you here. So you can use the combs if you prefer to not have to sew on your wig. And then this is what it looks like. You're gonna end up cutting this mesh off. I don't know if anyone has left it on to maybe make like a lace kind of wig, but this is simply just a U-part wig. This is the band so you can make it adjustable, and the cap is very stretchy and breathable, as you can see. Go ahead and like this video, comment and share. Definitely I'll bring you more videos like this. This again is the first video of the series, but you just see me here attaching this cap to my stand, and I got everything from Amazon. I'm gonna put the links down below, that way you can shop anything that you see me use. But I got the T-pins in and I got everything nice and secure. So don't come for me, y'all. When it comes to this hair, it is 3 bundles of 24 inches of Caviar Life Raw hair. I have used this hair before. This is the 3rd install that I'm doing with this hair. If you don't know about raw hair, let me educate you about raw hair. I'm gonna give you some details about my line.
Okay, dolls, so I am obsessed with my hair. This is the Caviar Life Raw Indian hair, which comes straight from the temples in India. This hair is resilient. It feels so light. However, it has a really thick look to it because it's natural Indian hair. Now this hair comes in a natural wave, and it varies from color black to off black to light brown. It comes from different people, okay? So every single bundle will be different. Although if you order at one time, I try to put all the bundles together. And yes, this hair is from my line from xocrissyhair. So this is a bundle of what I have in. My bundles are about 3.5 ounces. And this is 1 full bundle. As you can see, it has its natural curl pattern. So it's really beautiful hair. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. You wanna go ahead and put your needle directly through the weft. This is only done on the ends. That way it will protect your ends from sticking up later. You wanna keep your install as flat as possible, so when you're brushing and combing, you're not having any of the ends stick up. So again, it's a tip. Go ahead and put the needle directly through the weft, and then go ahead and sew it directly on your cap. Now again, I'm gonna go ahead and dye this hair. I'll do that in another video for you, so leave a comment down below. Let me know if you wanna see that. The hair is unwashed. You're gonna see that it's kind of dirty, but I'm just here to show you how I make my wigs. So I'm doing this stitch. I'm doing it in a loop, kind of bringing the needle through the opening of the thread. I find this very, very easy, so it's nice and neat. And then also when you take it down, when you simply cut somewhere on the thread, it kind of helps you unravel the rest. So you're not, you know, potentially cutting your hair, because it's really easy to unravel. So this is just the method that I use, kind of like the over-under method when it comes to sewing my bundles onto my wig caps. Also notice it's about 1/2 inch spacing, so you don't have to do it fairly tight. This is just, again, what I'm doing to make this U-part wig. I'm gonna show you when we get to the end of the track. You wanna go ahead and knot it on the end as far as in your thread. I usually double or triple knot it.
And I do not cut the weft. The reason you do not want to cut the weft is because you don't want your hair to shed. No one wants to leave their hair, you know, a trail of hair at Jabu's house or at work. I mean, that's embarrassing. So when you get to the end, fold over the track, don't cut it. It helps prevent shedding, and basically it's going to let you reuse the hair down the line. So as you can see, I'm doing the flip over method. I got to the end of the track. I'm just flipping it over, and I'm going to go ahead and continue sewing the other direction. Now I'm just showing you here to be mindful of the band. You don't want to sew through that adjustable band, because then you will not be able to adjust the wig if that's something that you would like to use. Now I am done with that first bundle. Don't be alarmed if you kind of run out of hair midway. That's completely normal. So this is how it looks on one side versus the other. You're just going to go ahead and grab your second bundle of hair. You're going to put that needle through the end again of the weft, and you're going to go ahead and continue on that same track. And then when you get to the end, fold it over. So I'm basically just going to do the exact same thing all the way up until we get to the end, which is actually the U shape of the wig. Now I'm just showing you again about knotting the last part of each track. This makes it super durable. It prevents any loose or hanging tracks. So again, I just go ahead and towards the ends of where the cap ends. I don't know how else to say it. Now this is just the top of the wig. I went ahead all the way to the top, and that's it. All you have to do is cut off the lace and either add on your clips or sew this bad boy down.
Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, this is just a really quick series. I wanted to share with you dolls how it was that I made this U-part wig from start to finish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment down below. If you tried my hairline, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't tried my hairline, then girlfriend, look down below in the box. I will leave you a coupon code. Be sure to sign up for my email list. I have sales all the time. Be sure you also follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, and my name is @Crissy the doll. Also, if you don't follow this channel, please stop what you're doing. Go ahead and subscribe, as well as to my fitness and my vlog channels, and I'll put those links down below as well. I want to thank you dolls so much for your love and support, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.